everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change country in Play Store. So to do that, let's head over to our Play Store. And once you're there, tap on the profile of the Play Store on the top right corner. Go to settings option in here. Now head over to the general drop down box. Now you will find the account and device preferences. Head over to the option. Now you see country and profiles. In here, if you have your Google account or Google Play account, you will be able to change the region or country in here. So I'm going to this, you should change your Play country only when you move to a new country. I'm going to this learn more, how you can do that to show you. So when I scroll down, here, as you can see, to change your Google Play country on your Android device, open the Play Store app and at the top right, tap the profile icon. Go to settings, then go to general and go to account and device preferences, then go to country and profiles. Tap the country where you want to add an account and follow the on-screen instructions to add a payment method for that country. So yeah, this is how you can change your country in Play Store. Hope this video helped you out and we will see you in the next video.